we were getting the $12 soft touch.
All right.
Soft touch option. This is why. Pretty and soft touch. Pretty and soft touch. $12. I like that soft touch. Here's just. Oh, the watch is ready. Roll the windows up. Got you the $12 option. Drive on. Stop! Got a stoplight. Lucky. Ooh, starting with triphone. Just like Wyco does. Starting with triphone. An empty pass? Or looks like a presoak? Empty pass or looks like a presoak right now. It looks like a presoak. And now it's doing the brushes. Now it's doing the brushes. I can see watch the brushes on the front of a mirror. Watch the brushes on the front of a camera.
Mm-hmm.
See?
I see.
Got some soap on the car. Got some choice washes. See? It's like a soft touch. Next time we take a truck, we take a touchless option. Next time we get the truck, we'll get a touchless option. Yeah. Now it's watch your brushes on the back of the camera. See? Yeah, like the brushes did a great job on this car. No.
Okay.
But the touch rate is not so good. Touch rate wasn't good in this smart car.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it needs brushes. Getting brushes. There comes the high pressure rinse. Then your brush. High pressure side blaster. And a high pressure side blaster. High pressure side blaster. Pretty cool. Brushes did a great job. Top brush turns it off. And now comes the halo shine. Or it's waterfall wind. Oh, looks like it's waxing and the waterfall winds. Waxing and waterfall winds. Just waxing. Then will be spot free winds. Last time was a combination wash. And then spot free winds. Spot free winds would be good. Next time we'll take a truck to touch free option. Then
Yes, okay.
my mom doesn't my mom won't get damaging license plate on this truck.
Drive ahead.
Drive ahead.
Already done.
That was quick.
Yep.
It feels looks like an air conditioner going there. On there. See? Feels like. Oh, the air conditioner's going while it's drying, man. Look at that. That is crazy. We got 23 seconds remaining. Just do not back up. We got 15 seconds remaining. Hope to get dry on the back. Come on. Yes. All done. It's censored off too. Not done. You turn on the rear wipers.